Hello everyone. In this session of CCNA series, I will discuss device access control using local passwords. As you know, there are three ways to access a switch or a router. One is via console, the second one is via telnet, and the third one is via SSH. By default, a Cisco switch allows anyone to connect to the console port. And then it also allows a user to access the user mode. Once you have console access, it will allow you to uh, access the user mode and then move on to the enable mode and configuration mode without any kind of security. So console access can be gained via uh, it can be gained only when you are allowed or when you have a physical access to the switch. But to operate the switch remotely using telnet or SSH, the CLI must be secured. Securing the CLI includes protecting access to the enable mode, because from enable mode an attacker could reload the switch or change the configuration. Protecting user mode is very important as well, because attacker can see the status of the switch, learn about the network, and find new ways to attack the network. There are different ways you can secure the user and privilege mode. That is uh, by using simple password, or by using local username and password, or by using external authentication servers such as AAA servers, and by securing remote access with SSH. So let's go ahead and look into the first one, that is securing user and privilege mode with simple password. It is really essential to ensure the security of user mode and privilege mode on Cisco devices to maintain network security. You can secure this mode with simple passwords. This method uses password only with no username. So with one password for console user and another password for telnet user. To access a console, a user must type in the console password as configured under the console line configuration mode. Similarly, to telnet user, a user is requested to type in telnet password, also called VTY password. So once you log in into the device, you are in a user mode. And to access further, like user privilege mode, you need to type in enable to access that mode. Cisco switches protect enable mode, also called privilege mode, with yet another shared password called the enable password. So once you log in using a console or telnet and you put in the password, you need to type in enable. Okay, so once you type in enable, you will be prompted with enable password. Okay, so once you have configured the enable password, uh, you can type in the enable password, and then it allows you to successfully log in into the enable mode. This is possible by setting simple password. So the command to configure those password on console is login, and then under the line console 0 you need to type in login and then the password in simple text. Similarly for VTY, you need to get into VTY mode and then type login and then type password. Similarly for enable, you can just type in enable under the global configuration mode and then password followed by the actual password. That's it for this session. I hope this was informative for you. Thank you for watching.